In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bluestacks in D drive. Bluestacks usually installs on your C drive by default, which can fill up fast. If you'd rather keep your system drive lean or have more space on D, the good news is you can point the installer to D during setup. First, download the installer, open your browser, and head to the official website at bluestacks.com. On the home page, click Download BlueStacks 5. Your browser will start downloading the setup file. Wait for it to finish completely before you move on. By default, it lands in your Downloads folder and is named something like BlueStacksInstaller.exe. Next, start the installation. Double-click the installer to open it. If Windows asks for permission, choose Yes so it can make changes. You'll see the BlueStacks setup window with an Install Now button. Before you click that, select Customize Installation. This is important because it lets you change where BlueStacks will live. In the Install Path box, you'll see the default C path, typically C/Program Files BlueStacks. Replace it with D BlueStacks. You can type it directly or browse to your D drive and create a BlueStacks folder. Make sure the D drive has enough free space, then confirm the path. With the location set to D/BlueStacks, go ahead and click Install Now. The installer will copy files and set everything up in that D drive folder. Depending on your system and internet speed, this can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. It's normal to see progress bars pause briefly. Just let it run. Avoid closing the installer or restarting your PC until it's done. When the installation finishes, you'll get a prompt to launch. You can also close the installer and use the new desktop shortcut. Open BlueStacks, and it will now run from the D drive exactly as specified during setup. From here, you can start configuring BlueStacks and signing into your favorite app stores whenever you're ready. That's all there is to it. Download from the official site, open the installer, use Customize Installation to switch the path from C to D, install, and launch.